Hello everyone, it's Tashin Trading. I'm doing this first video to show you that, to explain at the point of this YouTube channel and to explain what do I use to trade so you can do the same thing. So the point of this channel will be to show you how to trade, how do I trade indexes. So I trade three different indexes, Nasdaq, DAX 30, which is the German index, and Dow Jones. So I basically trade on CFD with IG, the broker. I'm not sure it's available everywhere, so I trade CFD contract for difference, which is a derivative on the cash. I also have a future account, but as I will explain you, I don't really need futures to trade. I'm fine with the cash. I'm going to explain everything what I have on my screen, so that when I post other videos of trades, then I can explain you. I will try to really explain everything of how I get into the waves and stuff like that. To clarify, I'm not earning 10,000 a month. Trading is my main activity, but I don't earn 10,000, not yet. I'm doing this for 1.5 years, something like that. I'm doing quite well. Doing good money, but like my capital to trade is about 15,000 euro. And yeah, I just want to share with everyone how to do. I never trade forex. I'm just specialized on index because it's pretty. I think it's more easy to trade, and there's more liquidity and stuff. And yeah. So basically, the first thing I use is a Henkin Ashi candlestick, which are those ones that you can see. Henkin Ashi. Let me show you. So it's a candlestick. It's a special candlestick that will smooth all the waves. It's not like a Japanese candlestick. Like you can see, like when you don't have any. How could I? I don't know how to call. Like you have this doji and then you have this wave without any upper part. I don't know how to say, but like this means you have a strong downtrend on this candlestick. Like the price will never go up the half of the previous one. Like I let you check on internet how it works. Whatever. So this candlestick are really useful to smooth. You can see like on the 5-minute chart, this really help to smooth all the waves, and then to get in. Like for example, I bought here just before. I bought here because like yeah, whatever. So these candlesticks are really useful for this. Second is I trade. I'm doing scalping sometimes intraday, or I don't do swing. I have some stocks on my with my bank which I swing on, but I'm not doing swing on my trading on CFD. So basically, I use ticks. I enter on tick. It's not time. It's not time frame. It's about how the price is moving. Like one tick is one price is going up or down. On CFD, on the future is different. One tick represents one exchange between two traders, two contracts. So it's a little bit different, but the result is quite similar. Is that you will see when the market uptick or downtick a lot, when you have a lot of ticks in 1 hour, it means that the volatility is high. Like you have a lot of orders coming in and stuff, and then sometimes like it will just like go slowly. So it gives you more information about who is entering. Like it's much more it's much clearer than to use time frames. I use time frames to stay on my trades. Like when I see that one scalp is going fine with the ticks, then I go on my 5 minutes chart and I check like if I have like something like really smooth like this. Like I just I just quit this one like here on the 200, like because I thought this was a good resistance and it won't be upper straight away. Anyway, this video is just to explain like what do I use. My third things that I use is the RSI, of course. I just use it on tick. I will explain like it's a relative strength index. It shows you the strength of your market. I will explain how it works in other trades, like how to use it, how to do it. Also, my levels that you see here that are really it's amazingly efficient. You can see like everywhere you have contact points. So it's already drawn, right? Like I have it before, and then yeah, all these kind of lines are drawn before, and then you can see you stop here and you stop here. I use this like we will probably stop here. Like here you have a mental pivot point. So these are the pivot points. I'm not sure if you're familiar with it. I'll let you check. Those are populated with the previous day movement. So it gets like, for example, for the daily pivot, the formula will take the high of the previous day, the low of the previous day, then add the close of the previous day, then divide by 3. So it gives you kind of a level in the next day, and it works also monthly and weekly and hourly as well. So those are like kind of potential bounce or reverse points that you already have on your graph. It's really useful. I couldn't trade if I didn't use them. So here you see like R1G. So I'm French. So this R1G represents the resistant one, daily resistant. G is journalier in French. It means daily. So it's the resistance one daily. It worked really well. Here you have the pivot hebdo. H means weekly. This is weekly pivot. This is monthly pivot, and it works really well. Like you have really good contact points. So this is what I use for trading. Also, I use some moving average, typical price. It's a little bit different than normal moving average, but I mean it's the same thing. Like it's just to see like how we can sometimes bounce on like here or here, or yeah, how it might handle the price, like keep it up or down. And finally, what I use the most will be price action, of course, and I'm looking most of the time for Dolo. I'm not sure that you guys call it like this, but basically what I'm looking for is bounce on support like this. If I have a strong support like here, 13,000, it's a psychological number. So you have a lot of chance that your market will bounce up. Like you have a lot of chance to have buyers here. So the thing is, you enter at this point because you wait for the market to go up, then go down, then validate your level, and then go up again. So you can see you have an uptrend into your move on a very strong support. So if you get into here, if you buy here with the stop loss down here, you have really good chance to get into a strong move, like because this is really huge support, like 13,000 on the Nasdaq. It's a huge support, and you can see like it goes up to 100 points straight away. So I call this Dolo, which is most of the time that kind of move. So reversal point, like double bottom. Double bottom is a Dolo for me. Otherwise, that kind of move, like you have a downtrend, imagine. Then you have a like a up movement that goes above the previous high here, and then when you have the pullback, it goes higher than the previous one. So for your information, when I tell like dolo and stuff like that, this always means if I have a up dolo, it means my lowers are higher and my high are higher as well. You can see like it's reversal pattern. And I have a really good example of this on my 5-minute chart is on this one. So basically we were going up since midnight, and then at some point they had a not sell-off, but like a really like a strong downtrend. Then we went up again and we went higher than this one. Then the pullback happened on the and then I could buy here because the movement reversed here. You can see that we went up more, and then when we bounced up before the previous low and on the 1350, you know, so that's a psychological point. And also this is what you see here. It's a pivot point, like mid R1G is the middle resistance one daily. So we had this bounce up here, so I could enter here. So that's most of the trade I do are this is going sick, like really high. But that's what I try to do all day. I mean every day, is to get into bounce. Like look at when the dolo is reversing, or when it's gonna continue as well. Like if I don't know if you have a pullback, if the market is going up here and then comes back here to 200. If I see like some buyers here, it would be interesting to take a scalp for a few points, maybe 20, or not. Of course, not as huge as this one, because this one was really huge support. People like monthly pivot plus the 13,000. But like yeah, I will show different kind of technique how to do, and yeah, that's it. So this video was to explain what do I use and how do I trade. Basically, this is really like a first glimpse. I don't know if I can say that, but like so yeah, I will try to upload every day some scalp and stuff about how I take position and stuff, and I hope it will help you guys to perform on the market. So thank you for watching, and see you next video. Bye.